Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. Oh yeah, let's go on a cruise next week.
Come on, but I will invite other friends. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. Just invite other friends. So it's Lucy and of course exciting.
Okay, alright. Hey Tanya, what are you doing? Are you busy today?
Hi too, I'm just watching TV. It's not that busy. What's wrong?
My friend needs to go on a cruise ship next week. Do you want to come?
Yes, of course, I will.
Okay, alright.
Hi guys, today the cruise ship will have a party. Let's go.
Come on, it's okay.
Come on, with pleasure.
Friends, look at there. Look at that. There are two people who are joining the party. Let's just invite it to make it lively and exciting.
Just take it.
Hey, my name Tania.
Oh, yes. Hi, I am Caroline.
Hey, Ian.
Are you just the two of you in the party?
Yes, we're just the two of us.
Let's join us. So it's fun and lively.
Of course you can.
It's okay, so it's fun. It's exciting, the party on the cruise ship tonight.
Yes, very exciting.
Yes, very exciting.
Thank you very much for inviting me to tonight's party on the cruise.
Yes, I also want to say thank you, guys, for inviting us to the party together.
With pleasure.